Hi, welcome to MachineStation. Today we have a 2007 Doosan PUMA 240M. Very nice machine. We are doing this video per request by customers who get called and ask to show specific functions of the machine. It does come with, you have two live tool holders. We have an extra one here, a nose collet chuck, 8-inch Kitagawa hydraulic chuck. I would say about a 2 3/4 draw tube, part catcher, tool setter. You got a 12 station turret. It's a Fanuc Series 21 ITB. Hydraulic tailstock, programmable as well. You have your conveyor. The machine is in fully functional condition. It does come with a Barfeeder as well. We can show you guys that per request, or we can probably add it on later to this video. I'm going to show you guys a little dry run here. We are spinning at 2500 RPM. As you can see, it's very smooth. The machine is very quick. We do have background noise for a compressor that we have on. So let me show you guys live tooling here. Power it up for you guys. You guys can see we got live tooling. The Z-axis. And we have our other live tool here. So we can get the tailstock to engage here. Move it around. So as you guys can see, the machine is fully functional. Great machine, very well kept, low hours for what it is. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 909-919-9600 or visit us at MachineStation.us. Thank you guys for watching.